Last week, the bond market was in focus. The 10-year Treasury yield climbed as high as 4.75%, driving the Treasury Department to issue a surprise amendment to its long-dated bond buyback policy. The news pushed yields lower, but the initial effect quickly faded. Elevated inflation, greater uncertainty, higher investment demand, and surging government budget deficits are all factors putting a floor under rates, suggesting that higher rates may be the new normal. Rates and Fed policy will remain center stage this week with the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium, a forum Fed leaders have often used to signal major policy shifts. Markets are hoping Fed Chairman Warsh clarifies whether the Fed is on hold or preparing to hike again. But Warsh has been clear about limiting or even eliminating forward guidance from the Fed's policy toolkit. We will be watching closely, but we're not expecting him to give markets the answers. On the economic data front, investors will be watching PCE inflation data due out on Wednesday. Energy prices have been volatile, but the focus remains on underlying core inflation, which excludes food and energy. This measure remains elevated at 3.3%, well above the Fed's 2% target. Lastly, although second quarter earnings season is mostly behind us, all eyes will be on big tech earnings on Wednesday. Q2 earnings season confirmed exceptional profit and margin growth, but much still depends on whether hundreds of billions of AI capital spending is paying off. Wednesday's earnings will be particularly important to provide an update on AI chip demand. With expectations already so high, the pattern we saw earlier this earnings season is that investors are demanding exceptional earnings results. So items to watch this week: 1. The Fed's Jackson Hole Symposium, 2. PCE inflation data, and 3. Big tech earnings.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell a specific investment strategy, any security, or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks referenced, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated are the entities through which First Citizens Wealth products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals, in all jurisdictions, or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and First Citizens Delaware Trust Company. For more information about First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, its subsidiaries, and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.